We'll guide you through how to navigate the Gumroad dashboard. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gumroad website. Log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. At the top, you'll see the navigation menu with tabs for your library, products, customers, analytics, and settings. Start by clicking on the Products tab if you want to manage or add new products. Here, you can see a list of your current products and you can click New Product to start creating a new one. Enter details like the product name, description, and pricing. Next, click on the Customers tab to manage your customer list. You can view customer details, export data, or send communications directly from here. Moving on to the Analytics tab, this is where you can track your sales performance. Check out data on your earnings, view trends over time, and see which products are doing well. The Library tab is where you can access any products you've purchased from others on Gumroad. Finally, the Settings tab lets you manage your account details, payment information, and preferences. Make sure to explore each section to get familiar with all the features available to you. Navigating the Gumroad dashboard is straightforward once you know where everything is, and soon you'll be managing your products and sales like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.